Hi guys, it's Grace. Sorry, this is a very vloggy style video, but today I am doing a room tour because, you know, this crop outfit, but because recently my room looks a lot cleaner. Like, not like I've just cleaned, like it's had a proper clean. I've tossed so much stuff out. When you first come through my door, you see this to the side of you. It's just, I have this calendar. It's like this Instagram mum's calendar thing. She's actually really cool, so I just have that. And then I have this Merry Christmas sign. Obviously Christmas is basically over now. I'm filming this on the 28th, so it's pointless. Then down here I have one of my Christmas presents, which was a signed picture of Colin Firth. So, you know, he's just chilling there. Just my lamp. My room's very turquoise, but I'm getting it changed soon. But I just thought I'd do it in the last room tour. Lamp, a clock that doesn't work, a little spray, and I have this, which is literally my light. Like, you can't see it, but it looks like a book, but it's a light. And then I have this. Down here I have this bag, which is one of the gift bags with my Harry Potter stuff in. I have these lights that I need to put up for Christmas. And I have some Dr. Martens. Yeah, just some Dr. Martens. This is like one of my sweet bags from my nana, but you know, it's just a bit of a mess. We'll ignore that. Then in this corner, which I've always had, my curtains, we have my tripod, my beam, even though I quit gymnastics, but like I'll still do some in the new year, and my mat. I have this book from Pixie Woo's Facebook, and then I have these flowers, a Harvey Nichols bag with some Fenty wrapping stuff in, I believe. Yeah, it's like Fenty stuff. My Beats just chill there, you know. But if you want me to see an Alex Straw sort of tour sort of thing, if you want to see like my makeup collection, I will film one of them. I'll show you ones that aren't makeup. This is all makeup here, because all my other stuff needs organising, but this doesn't really need organising. Or I have two Victoria's Secret sprays, this perfume, like this, these little, like little tester perfumes, but like I can put them in my blazer, so it's cute. I have two deodorants, body mist, body spray, this Nivea lip balm set, and a Snow Fairy body spray, which I got half price, so it was a tenner instead of 20 in this Boxing Day sales. I have my wardrobe, which, you know, I have sports stuff over there, but we're just gonna ignore the fact that this is here. Yeah, and I just have my wardrobe from IKEA, which are very, very messed up. Like it's cracked, like they don't work very well, you know what I mean? But yeah, by the way, I just got this new coat and I like it a lot. But yeah, they don't really open. I have Lush bathrooms from literally last year because I'm disgusting, in a little case with Body Shop stuff, but you know, that's that. I have my blazer, which stays, this is like from the top of my room. So yeah, this is what my room looks like from this angle. That's my little cloud. Actually, these meant to be up here. I have my little Charlie Bear, I think. This Amsterdam bear. This is on a stool that I used to use. I used to film videos on the stool. And then this little sweet sack from my mum and dad, you know, just chills down here. So this is my vanity. It's a lot cleaner. I have pictures me. Oh my gosh. I have pictures of me and my uncle like 2 years ago. That was the last time I saw him, because like he lives in America, so I don't really cute. And then I have tinsel and a little snowflake, but I don't know why. Hi, how much remember this Christmas Eve Yankee candle, a little IKEA candle, Mario Badescu drying lotion, baby lips, oh my gosh, I can't. Baby lips, like little lip balm blush thing, roller lash on this little dish, and my Everyone Active card, you know, for swimming. My new Spectrum brushes, phone cases and stuff, you know. Just have this little coaster I've had for ages. And then I have, oh, this is like pictures of me and my friends from my friend's birthday party. Yeah, you all featured in the video. But, well, yeah. And then this crap. Yeah, I have a little Santa. My other makeup brushes, which are very miscellaneous, and a little Lush gift card that I need to spend. And then down here, these are one of the very little few small corners of my room where things get stored. So I have a green bin, I have a clutch, a Harry Potter and the J.K. Rowling. I hate having it there, but I'm gonna have to. One of the collective little Philosopher's Stone things. Poster colouring book, I have a normal colouring book, a binder and a laptop case, and then I have my Gryffindor pencil case. And then my bed looks, well, I'll show you my shelves after, but this is my bed. It's like a sofa bed sort of thing. I have a Christmas like quilt on. But this is my throw from Primark, I think. This cushion's from Primark, got for Christmas. This cushion's from Primark, just Harry Potter ones. And then I have 2 fluffy pillows from Primark, 1 other pillow from Primark, and then this is from Next, and I have a little Gryffindor one behind there, but I just keep that there. And then I have my little little teddies and like my little Christmas ones, like because I just find it cute. Pillows. Then pictures me, my mum, me, my dad, a G, a very special Christmas, and a little house banner. And then I have pictures of me and some YouTubers. Eat, Sleep, YouTube, Repeat, The Fault in Our Stars, me and my nana. Harry Potter shelves, which I will do a video for. And then this side. So we return from here, like, I've just got my chest of drawers, which are a bit broken right now, so we can just ignore that. Even in winter, I still have to have my fan, because, you know, can't really see without it. And then behind, I've got my little tree, sort of Christmassy tree. We're gonna ignore that as a Pringles thing. I've got this little Grace of Gryffindor little bookmark, and then this little like Sweet Treat Chocolate Frog sort of money box honeydukes thing, and then we have my new Harry Potter books that I got for Christmas, Harry History, and then we've got the Quidditch for the Ages, Tales of Beedle Bard, Fantastic Beasts and White Fandom, J.K. Rowling like little mini books. And then we've got what I got for Christmas, and it's a signed David Thewlis, aka who plays Remus Lupin, or like autograph card, and like love that. I have a little award, a netball award I got a few years back, some coasters, some nutcracker, like things behind there, but a lava lamp, my TV, and my Alexa. Well, Amazon Echo Dot on a little Hogwarts coaster, my laptop. And then that picture. We have that picture over there. But yeah. I'll do a little pan of my room. So, sorry this is a bit of a mess here. Literally just had to sit there, but so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it might have been quite a short one, but you know, it's a little video if you're getting to know me, if you want to know, I don't know, if you just want to know anything. Now you know what my room looks like, and that's my room. I like it a lot, but I'm in a small house, like it's a very small room, but I still fit some nice stuff in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys whenever I post next, which will probably be hopefully next Wednesday or Sunday.